position vector. Now what it is? Definition of definition for a position vector. Now if a point O is fixed as the origin in a plane or a space and P is any point then vector OP is called is called the position vector of P with respect to origin. Is called the position vector of P with respect to origin. Now suppose this point is O and this point is P. Now if a point O is fixed as the origin, so we are taking this point as a O, which is fixed point. Now if we say that in this figure, okay, if we say that P is the point for vector A, okay, if we say that P is the point of, okay, P is the point of vector A, then we mean that position vector of P is vector A. Is it clear? If we say that P is a point of vector A, P is the point vector A, then we mean that position vector of P is vector A with respect to some origin. Okay. Basically, position vector means a point starting, means its initial point will be the origin. Is it clear? Now we are having after the definition for the position vector, now we are having a vector in terms of position vectors of its endpoints. Okay. Now a vector in terms of position vectors of its endpoints. Now suppose we are having a figure P, Q. Now let this be with O, this point, this moves with this direction. Now let this be vector Q and this be small p vector P. Okay. Now how to represent a position vector? In this figure, now let the position vector of P and Q, position vector of P and Q be the vector P and vector Q respectively. Let the position vector of P and Q be the vectors P and Q respectively. Now PQ, this vector PQ, vector PQ. Now vector PQ is equal to, we can write it PO plus OQ. PO followed by OQ. Triangle law. PQ is equal to negative of vector P followed by vector Q. Vector Q followed by negative of vector P. Now here we are having, since OP is equal to P and OQ, vector OQ is equal to vector Q. Now we are having Q, subtracting P from Q. Now what Q is? Q we are having OQ, and what P is here, now we are having OP. Okay, so and this was PQ. Now how we can express this one? This will be expressed as, now vector PQ is equal to position vector of Q minus position vector of P. Vector PQ will be written as position vector of Q minus position vector of P. Now any vector can be expressed as position vector of terminal point, position vector of its terminal points minus position vector of its initial point. Okay, so any vector can be expressed as a position vector of its terminal point minus position vector of its initial point. Same now PQ. Always whenever we have to find a position vectors, we will be representing position vector of Q minus position vector of P. If we are having AB, vector AB, we can write position vector of B minus position vector of A. Okay, and if still you find a little bit difficulty for this one, for a triangle law, you can just move from the origin and make a parallelogram here. Instead of a triangle, make a parallelogram